Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I have here a power bank to be reviewed. Sorry, I already opened it and I already used it for just only for once. So I already charged this thing in full, so I can test the capacity of this thing, the rated capacity of this thing. And this is RAPOO power bank with 3000 milliamp hour inside. So the model is WB30-102, and on the spec it says, hope you can see. Let's check again. Oh my god. There you go. Inside of this, it has a lipopolymer inside. It has an output, a 3 output of, I hope you can see it. Let's adjust the lights first so you can see it. There you go. It has a 3 output with 5 volts, 2.1 amps. Here's the capacity, 30,000 milliamp hour, or equivalent to 111 watt hour. So this one is reach 100 watt hour. So even you bring it to the airport, they will confiscate it because you reach at least the limit of 100 watt hour. So guys, don't try to bring this in an airport or any kinds of airplane, because it will confiscate you this one, because this one is not rated for carrying to the airplane. So and also it has an input of 2 amps, 5 volts, 2 amps in micro USB and type C. So there's nothing here inside, just only in the packaging, and it don't come with this a USB type A to micro. Just only how many centimeters this thing, I don't know. So here is the power bank. So adjust the lights first. There you go. It said RAPOO over here, and here a text of 30, so it means 30,000 amp. And there is the here 30 power bank with the model WB30-102, lipopolymer, capacity 30,000. That's all, and the specification in and out, that's all. Just only 3 output. So each output declared on the box that it can handle 5 volts, 2.1 amps. So I gotta test that thing. So I have here a load tester. So I'm gonna put this one and check if that port can handle output of 5 volts and 2.1 amp. So I'm gonna test the one first. I think you're gonna just only one because it's just the same. So here, so now it has 4.99, so it's near 5 volts. So I need to put it to, there you go, 2.1 amps. So it's not below 4.5. I think if 4.5 volts, the tester will eventually off. So there you go. So it's working. So let's get another already off this thing. Let's try it another one. So it works. It's 4 volts 9 and 2.1 amps. So we got the last one, and there you go. So it's worked. So this power bank is cannot handle the newer charging protocol. They you know that there's some lot of protocol. That thing is QC 2 or 3 or other one, but this one is just only fast charge, just only output of 2.1 amp for every USB output. So now I'm gonna test, check what the capacity, the rated capacity of this power bank. So I have here a tester. This one is a Kiwi. What I say, if I pronounce it wrong, sorry, because I'm not good. The model is KWS, that's MX18. So it has a voltage of 4 volts, 30 volts, and the current, maximum current is just 1.5 amp. So I will using this thing to get the rated capacity of this thing. Every power bank has a rated capacity. So here I will plug this one so you can see what is the use of my tester. So I just press testing because sometimes it's the power bank gonna off because this one is just only low power, it cannot pull. So I gonna use this one to mimic a load of 5 volts 2.1 amps. So here, if you can see, let's focusing. There you go. Here is the voltage and the ampere. So now it's not drawing because I did not put this one. So here you can see on the bottom, and the green one, you can see the milliamp hour, how we can, what amount we can pull out, and also the watt hour, the milliwatt hour over here on the bottom, and also on the top is on the time, how we consume it, that thing, and also it the watt. So it's up again, so it's up again, it's turn on, and also how many watts will combine the 5 volts and how many watts we drawing it, and also the what do you call that thing, the ohms, what do you call it, the resistance. And you see in the red the number 1, so it means memory. So it has a lot of here, you can, when I click it, it spots to number 2. So we're gonna use first the memory one. So it has a 9 memory. So we're gonna test it on this memory on the number 1. So, and also the temperature. I don't know how they take the temperature. Maybe the temperature on the metal, because sometimes the metal is even hot on here. So there you go. So the one. So I'm gonna plug this thing, and we value this the 5 volts. Oh, close again. We have the 5 volts and 2.1 amps, and we're gonna discharge this for a lot of time. I think it will take 8 to 9 hours. I don't know, maybe 10. I don't know. We're gonna know after we discharge it. So now I gonna plug this one and begin the discharging. So here we go. It's back on again. So now I'm gonna pull off. There you go. 1 point. What about that's? There you go. There you go. There you go. It's said in the voltage of 4.9 volts. So it's mean okay. It will not. It's not too big of a deal because not too heavy. The voltage is going down. So now we have discharging this power bank in near 5 volts and 2.1 amps. So now it's starting. The time here is the 47 seconds, and the watt hour is 10 watts. So the if it, what do you call it? Oh my god, I forgot. And also it's starting already. Here it has 35 milliamp hour, and also the watt hour. So now is recharging on the number 1. So I'm gonna put this one here for a moment. So I think this one will take a lot of time to discharge this thing. So I'm gonna put this one in over here. So maybe I will check this thing and it might be take a. Okay, I already discharged the power bank now, so yeah, it's empty already. So here you go. When I click it, this is not powering on, so it's totally empty. So about this power bank, so it has a 30,000 milliamp hour, but we cannot get this 30,000 milliamp hour because inside of this it has a battery cell that only has 3.6 volts. So if we gonna use that thing to output of 5 volts, so it's gonna boost up from 3.7 volts to 5 volts. It means it's gonna lose capacity. So I have here an example of a power bank that indicates what the rated capacity of the power bank. So this one is a broken Minisu. I already have a video on this repairing, but I know something wrong with the motherboard. So here, so I hope you can see this thing. Let's see. Oh my god, it's not focusing. What about the light source? So we first in this one. So there you go. It says the cell capacity inside. You got a 3 cells in here, like this one, a 3 cell inside. So like this. So it has a 3 cell inside with the capacity of I hope okay. What the hell? There you go. A capacity of 7,500 milliamp hour. But when you discharge it and use 5 volts and 1.8, the rated capacity of that thing is just only 4,440. So it means you cannot get the full 7,500 because it will lose some capacity. So for this one, this RAPOO power bank has a 30,000 milliamp. Supposed to be if this calculation of this thing, it might be a 60% or it might be 70. So I will not calculate that thing because I don't know what the percentage that thing. I'm not good in math. So this one, I think we must be getting about at least 20,000 milliamp hour rated capacity output on this USB 5 volts. So now I need some power to check the capacity of this one. So I have here a power bank that is working, and let's see what the capacity of this thing. So there you go, and I hope you can see, and there you go. So it lasts about 9 hours and 25 minutes. So oh my god, it's off again. Sorry, it's off because it's not triggering the power bank to well, so there you go. It has a rated capacity of this thing is, there you go, you can see it. It's a 20,000 milliamp hour, and the watt hour is nearly 100. So there goes the number one. So it's just a memory. Before we test this thing, I see you with here in the number one. So there you go. It has a 20,000 milliamp hours. So it's like this. The rated capacity will not get the full 30,000 capacity of this thing. So there you go, guys. This RAPOO 3000 power bank with the capacity of 30,000 milliamp, and the rated capacity of this power bank is 20,000. So I would like to try to charge this thing if how many milliamp I will draw inside here. So but I think this is gonna be a long video, so I will not do it. So there you go, guys. This is a RAPOO power bank with the model WB30-102 with the capacity of 30,000 milliamp hour and a rated of 20,000 milliamp hour. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel. So for the next video, we have another review item to be reviewing here in my channel. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. See you for another video. Thank you.